real one in your reflection. Without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these. You gotta be nice for what to these. I understand.
What's good, gang? Welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, this video is going to be a hair review with Mychicwigs. So what I'm going to do, you guys, if you guys can read it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox it and show you guys. Let's see. Comes in a little plastic bag. First, I'm about to show you guys what it comes with. First, it comes with a weaving cap. Okay. Then it comes with flexi rods. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 flexi rods. And it also comes with an elastic band to make it so where it's a glueless wig and a beautiful pink comb. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the wig. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to put it on. It comes with a net. And this is a beautiful water wave wig. I got it shorter than I usually get hair because I was like, why not try and see if it'll be like cute shorter. And these curls are popping. Like, they're real cute. It comes pre-plucked, as you guys can see. It's a 360 frontal lace wig. So I'm about to show you guys how I'm about to do it. It's really cute though. Like, I like the curls. Okay guys, so my hair is already braided because obviously I just had a wig on. But so what I'm going to do, I'm going to, so I went to the hair stuff today too. So I had to get some more wig caps. So that was good. Okay. And I had to get some got to be freeze glue spray. So I got this wig cap in the color natural. Tells you on the back. Can't really see it, but tells you on the back. And it comes with 2. They're only $1 at the hair store. That's how much I spent on them, $1. Did this. I'm about to take my got to be glue. I just put it on my hairline. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some more got to be glue. And I'm going to just then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this freeze spray. It's a little dry, so it's a little sticky dry. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it. Ow, I just cut my nail. Let me put y'all closer, a little closer so y'all can see. Okay, so now I'm going to take my wig and I'm going to cut the lace. So I got the whole lace off. And next I'm going to, okay. Okay, so now I'm about to put some glue. Kind of cute. Maybe I saw. Oh yeah, that's cute. Hold on, okay. I'm about to get this comb. It's kind of cute though. I never had short curly hair. Well, I mean, I have before, like my natural curly, but never like. So let me lay my edges because I need some. So then I'm gonna take some Eco Style gel. I'm going to lay my edges with my beautiful edge brush. So I'm going to take some more. Let me get some water. Hold on, y'all. Take my water bottle and my pick. Okay, I'll take my mousse. Cause every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of this. Okay, so there that is. Okay, so there's that. Let me find my tweezers. I'm about to pluck this a little bit. Okay. A little bit. My natural part line. Alright, so there's that. So that's how you put on this beautiful chick wig. It is water wave in 18 inches. So this is the first time I got short hair. Here, let me put it down a little bit so you guys can see how short it is. So it goes right there. But yeah, so this is the beautiful water wave 18-inch hair from Mychicwigs. Make sure you guys click the link in the description down below for this beautiful wig, plus many other cute styles they have on their website. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope my little hairline's a little better with my little baby hairs and stuff, you know. But yeah, love you guys. Bye.